Hey, good morning, folks. We are in downtown Fort Myers Beach, and the plan is to take a look at the area north of downtown and see what has been going on there over the last few years of improvements while I haven't been around here. So let me get this camera adjusted right, and here we go. This is the main drag downtown, and some of it is functional and some of it is not. A lot of it is not. It's been repaired, but it's for lease. Like this big white building right here is for lease. This building on the corner has been all fixed up. They sell the towels and bathing suits and all that kind of stuff. They're back at it. Across the street, Times Square got hit real hard, and they've been kind of bouncing back using the food trucks instead of actual brick and mortar restaurants. They're kind of doing it that way now. Okay, now here we see a lot of empty lots still. There were houses over here on the right hand side. There's a parking lot on the left hand side, and over there was a bathroom. The bathroom got knocked down, never got replaced. We got some new construction over here, this blue place. Over here, empty lot on the ocean side. The Bel Air Beach Club is open, and yeah, there's going to be quite a bit of construction. Like, looky over here, these individual places up on stilts, they were the same style but not built as strongly as before, so it looks like they're going to replace that. The Best Western appears to be open. We're coming up on some condos that got hit pretty hard. I think they're pretty much open now. This stuff is way too high value to sit empty for any long period of time. Although there are empty lots, and the empty lots, they can sit for a long time before somebody decides to gamble. There's a lot for sale, another lot for sale. Lot on the corner here. Got somebody set up in their trailer. See, there's quite a bit of that. That house is for sale. There's quite a bit of that where folks who lost their house, but they still own the land, they set up a trailer and they live in the trailer. On the left-hand side, we got the Pink Shell Resort. The Pink Shell Resort got hit by Ian and, Melvin, as well, but the building is pretty well constructed, and I think it's designed for the hurricanes, so they bounce back pretty quickly. They're really a nice place. They've got a pool out front and all like that. That's the Pink Shell Resort. They're pretty big too. They go on for a hot minute there. So we're heading down to I guess it'd be the north end of the island. Now the big question here, see these buildings on the end, these turquoise and white buildings, that was the bathrooms. They got hit by Hurricane Ian and never got fixed. I mean, it's been like 3 years or something like that. 3 years or 4 years? I don't know. How long has it been since Ian? It's been a while. But they still got this all fenced off. And that's Bowditch Point Park. And, I know the hurricane hit hard, but hey, these toilets should have been fixed by now. They really should have. So yeah, this is Bowditch Park here. This is the north end of the island. And if you walk down here, it's real nice. Got a guy stopped in front of me here. I'm going to go around this guy. Yeah, that's a great walk. If you start at Times Square and you walk north, you'll get to Bowditch Park. And it used to be there's bathrooms on that end, but they've never been fixed. Okay, we're going back the other way again. Here's the Pink Shell. You can see it's pretty big. And it's nice. Yeah, you look at it from the beach side, the architecture is a little more impressive. Even though on this side it's quite pretty as well. Got a lot of delivery here. Cintas, the uniforms. Somebody bringing in the Guinness beer. And we're heading back into the sun. Not quite as comfortable ride. So yeah, there it is. The going north on the island doesn't take you very long to hit the end of it. Bowditch Park is as far as you go. Then it's a U-turn, you go come back down. So it's what, maybe a mile? Probably maybe a mile from Times Square to the end there to Bowditch Park. But yeah, there's empty lots. If anybody feels like taking a big flyer, put your hotel right there next to the other hotel. Looks like they're doing some repairs on this place. And that's pretty much the story here. Is the lots are either for sale, they're available. There was a house there. You can see the old pillars right there. And then places that made it through okay. The Best Western, evidently the construction was strong enough. I think that used to be a Holiday Inn, if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna get around this gal here. There we go. Excuse the jerky camera work. This should be mounted on the dash. I'm just holding it on a selfie stick and driving at the same time. So kids don't do that at home with your own car. Yeah, there's the parking lot in which there used to be the bathroom. One of these days they'll rebuild that bathroom, I swear to God. I mean, 3-4 years after a hurricane comes through, they can't put a couple of cans in there. They use that portable right there. Well, at least they have portables. Better than nothing, I guess. All right. Oh, I think we'll go this way. So yeah, it's a pleasant little town. We are in the tourist season now. You know, I know it's early in the morning. It's only 8:10, but these streets are pretty empty. I think you can really see the drop off in tourism. There's just not as many cars parked around. There's not as many people walking around. I mean, this is not a real high impact area. Even when it's busy here, it's not, how do I want to put it? It's not Miami style busy. It's not frantic. But it just doesn't feel as busy as it normally is during this season. We are between Christmas and New Year's right now. So this place should be howling. I suppose it's early in the morning. People are sleeping. We'll see more activity later in the day. There were some people on the beach. It wasn't like it was abandoned. All right, folks. Well, there it was. Look at the north there, and I guess we'll just keep filming as we cross the bridge. We'll go ahead and put a few more minutes on it. That won't hurt any. The way to do it with a selfie stick or not, but it seems to be working. Give you the view over here as it comes around. How's that? Not bad? Not bad. Guys, we're out of there. Adios Fort Myers Beach for the day. We're just about to adios San Carlos Island as well as we cross over the bridge here. Y'all have a great day. Catch you on the next video.